Recently, I had a chance to try the DoubleTree cookies offered by DoubleTree by Hilton, and honestly, they were unforgettable. Soft, warm, and loaded with texture. So I thought, why not recreate them, but in my own healthier style. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's make my version of DoubleTree-style cookies. Start by taking some softened room temperature butter in a bowl. To this, I am adding brown sugar and regular sugar and mixing it really well until it becomes smooth and creamy. Next, I am adding in some vanilla extract for that warm flavor. Now for the dry flavoring ingredients: cinnamon powder, baking soda, a pinch of salt and a little cornstarch. Mix everything together until well combined. At this stage, I am adding a small splash of vinegar and giving it a good mix. Now let's bring in the dry ingredients. First, rolled oats and then whole wheat flour. Gently mix everything together. To adjust the consistency, I am adding about 3 tablespoons of cold milk and mixing until it comes together into a soft dough. Finally, I am adding chopped walnuts and chocolate chips. Mix everything until evenly combined to form a dough. Now let this cookie dough chill in the refrigerator for about half an hour. Once chilled, scoop out about a tablespoon of dough, shaping it into a ball and placing it onto a lined baking tray. Leave appropriate space between two cookie balls because the cookies are going to spread when baked. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 12 to 14 minutes. Once baked, allow them to cool at room temperature. The cookies will firm a little. And that's it. Our cookies are ready. They have turned out soft, fragrant and beautifully textured, just the way we want them. For the detailed recipe and exact measurements, don't forget to check the description below. Follow and subscribe for more healthy bakes and creative recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching.